Hi, this is Ray with Westchester Plumbing, and today I'm going to show you how to repair or replace a hose bib. First of all, you can see that the hose bib is leaking. Handles cranked down, still got water dripping. You can try two easy steps. First one would be take your pair of channel locks, tighten the packing nut, and you just want to tighten it snug. You don't want to over tighten it. Seems to still be leaking, so I'll show you how to replace it. You want to turn your water off at the source, which is the main shutoff to the house. So you would turn this clockwise. Make sure that the water's off. You'll have some water running out. Then it stops. That shows that the water's off. Take your pliers. Unscrew your hose bib. Unscrew this adapter that's on here. Replace it with the new hose bib. Put some Teflon tape. So you're going to put tape on the threads. That'll seal it from leaking. Usually wrap it about 3 times, that's plenty. There's your new hose bib. Make sure it's off. And you're going to tighten it just with a little bit of pressure. You don't want to over tighten it and break something, so make sure it's straight up. It's off. Turn your water back on. Water's back on, no leaks. That's how you replace a hose bib.